Hi, dear teachers. You can see here there is a problem about ratio. It's saying a bag contains 170 marble. There are a red, blue, and yellow marbles in a ratio of 9:3:5. That means if I'm writing this ratio, I'm going to say red to blue to yellow, and the ratio is 9:3:5. How many yellow marbles does the bag contain? The problem here, I don't have any real number in the bag. The only thing that I have that the total is 170. So in this case, why I don't take this ratio and I add it together and see their total is how much. So 3 and 5, it's 8, 8 and 9, it's 17. So I can say that 17 as a ratio, the equivalent of it, it's 170 in reality marble. So I can do it with this way. If I have yellow, the yellow it's 5. If I compare it to the total, so it's going to be like 5 to 17. This is the yellow, and this is a total. If I search for the equivalent fraction to this one, in reality, I don't know, and this is actually the question, how many yellow marble, but I know that the total is 170, and this is going to be my key to find really how many yellow marble. So to find this one, again, we don't have a choice. We have to use the cross multiplication with this way. So I'm going to say what? I'm going to say that 5 times 170 equal to 17 times the x, the unknown. Now to isolate the x unknown, I have to divide it by 17 so I can simplify. But because this is an equation, I cannot do something at the right side and don't do it in the left side. So whatever I did in the right side, I have to repeat it in the left side. Now I can isolate x, simplify 17 with 17, and this is what I need, how many yellow marble in the bag. And after that, I'm going to see here that I can simplify 17 with 170, so it's going to give me 10. 10 times 5 equals 50. So really, I have 50 yellow marble in this bag. So if I can compare here, I will see that number D is the correct or is the answer. I hope that you understood this one. Thank you for listening.